fellow adventurers. For today, we're going to have our DIY. Yes. Now, if you have seen my previous videos, I was able to acquire 6 pieces of Daiso dressing doll in pink. Yes. So, as you can see, this is the actual Daiso doll. I think her name is Elly. Nonetheless, I got her straight from Japan, and I had 6 pieces. Yes. Now, though I would like to play with 6 dolls, it so happens they all look alike. So, for our DIY, what we're going to do is we're going to do a rerooting. Yes, we're going to cut the hair of all 5 of these dolls and reroot them with colorful wigs. Yes, and some hair extensions that I already have here at home. Yes, and let's find out how she would actually look like in different hair color and hair designs, right? So come with me, let's go and make our own Daiso dressing dolls, right? So let's go. Oh, where is my head? Okay, so if we remove the doll's head from these dolls, it will actually look like this. Yes. Now I have to remove the head so that we can actually, reroot it. Yes. The rerouting method that I usually use is the old-fashioned one with a needle. Yes. So anyway, let's find out. So where is my head? So as you can see, I decided to make the skirt now. So we use the pattern that we had. So we're going to cut it so that it will be uniform, right? So let's cut. So as you can see, I already did the upper part of the doll's dress or gown. So I'll be using Velcro so that it would be easier for the person to remove the dress. Yes, and make our gown. Now remember, I rerouted 6 dolls, so all of them will have the same dress or gown. Okay, so let's go. Let's finish this. So here we are finished with our cocktail dresses. Yes, so these are the cocktail dresses I made for each of our dolls. Yes, remember I have 6 of those dolls, and we have already finished rerouting each one of them with different colors of hair extensions and wigs, right? So anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to just add this ribbon at the back to make it prettier. Yes, so we'll just put it at the back. After all, we use Velcro. Yes, and then they will look really stunning, right? So let's go and let's make these cocktail dresses more beautiful. Okay, yes. So here is the original doll. Okay, so this is the original Daiso doll that was given to me, and like what I said, I had 5 more of them, and with a little patience, yes, with the doll rerooting, we have 6 different kinds. Yes, so I have here the one with the pink hair. Now as you can see, I placed some plastic on their head so that the bangs or the hair, the eyes will be protected. Yes, because I'm still sewing their dress, or yeah, their cocktail dress. So with the pink wig, I decided to give her a ponytail. And then we have this, the black wig. So she's going to have long black hair. Actually, she has the longest hair. And there. And then this one, the one I experimented on. I like the way her bangs, are. So she's more like Sailor Moon. Because of her golden yellow hair. Yes. Now with the blue, yes. So there. Okay. Now some of the dolls I didn't place any bangs so that they will just look pretty as they are. And then voila, we have the red one. Now for her, I did some for her bangs there, as you can see. Yes, so her bangs would be a little different, so I placed some differences on these different dolls. So what do you think? I have 6 different kinds of dolls. From this to then there. So you can see they are now wearing their blue cocktail dresses. Yes. So, and we were able to place the accessories. So there are some earrings that are dangling, while there are some earrings that are just stud earrings. Yes. Now for the necklaces, so we have the small one, and we also have the bigger one, like that. The longer one. So what do you think? They look really amazing. They now look more beautiful than before. Yes, and it seems like they're going to a party wherein they have a uniform gown. Yes, and they all look really very beautiful. See, so they are all beautiful, respectively. They have their own unique beauty. So there we have. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my fellow adventurers. Hanggang sumuli, kita-kits na lang. Paalam!
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.